Ma'am, proteins, fat, vitamins.
Okay. Good morning, students. Again, my question is define nutrients. This is the question.
Ma'am, no ma'am. Ma'am, question था ma'am. Three
Ma'am,
types of
इसका आंसर
nutrients.
Name 3 nutrients. एक मिनट. I am
Ma'am,
asking this question
can I
from
answer?
1 minute.
Ma'am, can.
एक मिनट. बेटा give chance to all the students.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayush Anushka words. Sangam Singh. Name 3 nutrients. Name 3 nutrients. Sangam Singh.
Ma'am, vitamin. Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, protein, vitamins, carbohydrates.
Yes. Carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins. These are some name of some nutrients. आइए. Next question Utpal.
Ma'am, please.
उत्पल एक मिनट. उत्पल नहीं, अभी अनम्यूट नहीं हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
Your question is name the vitamins which are soluble in water.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Name the vitamins which are soluble in water.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
say.
Ma'am, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E.
Soluble in water. My question is name the vitamins which are soluble in water. Soluble in water. Akhil Raj.
Ma'am, vitamin B and C.
Yes. Vitamin B and C are soluble in water. Next question, Prachi. 6F. Name the vitamins which are soluble in fats. Prachi, 6F.
D.
Name the vitamins which
Ma'am, can I answer?
एक मिनट पहले प्राची. आदित्य यशोवर्धन. Name the vitamins which are soluble in fats.
Ma'am, vitamin D. Ayushraj.
Soluble in fats.
Ma'am, can I say Ayushraj?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, Radhya. Can I say?
एक बार में एक ही बच्चे. एक मिनट. देखिए बार बार बोलते हैं उनको नहीं. 1 minute. Ayush Raj.
Ma'am, Radhya. Ma'am, Radhya.
I will give you chance.
Ma'am,
Name the vitamins which are soluble in fats. Aradhya, 1 minute. Ayush Singh. Ayush Raj.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, vitamin A and vitamin D are soluble in fats.
A, D, E, K. These are soluble in fats. अब आइए next. Next from Aryan Kumar. Aryan Kumar, your question is say 2 sources of roughage. 2 sources of roughage. Aryan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
2 sources of roughage. Say.
Ma'am, 2 sources of roughage.
Yes.
Ma'am, green vegetables and ma'am, green vegetable and fruits are 2 sources of roughage.
अच्छा, green vegetables and fruits. Okay. आइए next. What do you mean by thyroxine? Define thyroxine. and which gland is and which substance is released from thyroxine? This question is from unable to connect.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question? Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay. अब मैं अनम्यूट हो गई. Define thyroxine.
Ma'am, from which?
Thyroxine. संगम सिंह. आपको आंसर नहीं मालूम है? अनुष्का वत्स. थायरोक्सिन. अनुष्का वत्स, डिफाइन थायरोक्सिन. You don't know thyroxine is a type of hormone, which released a thyroxine.
Ma'am, I don't know.
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
मैम आ रही है.
आ रही है.
मैम मुझे वो आंसर नहीं पता था.
अच्छा, आंसर पता नहीं था. ओके. थायराइड ग्लैंड. देखो, थायराइड ग्लैंड रिलीज्ड a type of hormones. It is called as thyroxine, and thyroid gland is present in our neck region and released a hormone. Its name is thyroxine, which control the amounts of iodine in our body. Okay. आइए. Next question is.
Ma'am, how should we define this?
Okay. What's your problem, Anushka words?
Ma'am, how should we define this? Thyroid.
Oh, thyroid. 1 minute. Thyroid is a type of disease. This is due to lack of iodines in our body. And what is thyroid? Thyroid is a type of gland. What is thyroxine? Thyroxine is a type of hormones released from thyroid gland, जो कि thyroid gland से निकलता है thyroxine hormone, which control the amount of iodines in our body. समझ में आया अनुष्का वर्ड्स?
Ma'am.
संगम सिंह, समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, how can we define?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, आपका आवाज.
Ma'am, how can we define thyroxine?
Thyroxine is a type of hormones which is released from thyroid gland. समझ में आया?
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
थायरोक्सिन एक प्रकार का हार्मोन्स है.
Yes, ma'am.
जो कि थायराइड ग्लैंड से निकलता है और ये what and control the amount of iodines in our body. और इसकी कमी से in our neck region there is a disease and its name is goiter. समझ में आया? आइए. This chapter is completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Third chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Third chapter में
Questions?
अनुष्का वर्ष क्या प्रॉब्लम है फिर से बताओ.
Ma'am, no problem, but ask questions.
अच्छा, ओके. We will move to third chapter. अब हम लोग third chapter में जाएंगे. Second chapter
Okay, ma'am.
completed. Okay. Then third chapter. Third chapter's name is nature of matter. What is the nature of matter? And what are the arrangement? Third chapters and what are the arrangement of atoms, molecules, and some particles present in
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
matter. So we will discuss here in this chapter that is about the nature of matter. आवाज आ रही है? आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. Now coming.
Your voice is coming.
Okay, okay. आइए. Children, in this chapter, first I will see the summary of this chapter, that is nature of matter. पहले मैं बताने जा रही हूँ इस chapter का summary क्या है. What substances are written in this chapter? First, nature of matter means there are two kinds of matter: natural materials and synthetic materials. What is matter? Matter means which occupies space and has mass. Is called as matter. There are two kinds of matter: natural materials and artificial materials. Materials which are obtained by nature are called as natural materials. Example: soil, water, air. These are natural materials. And the materials which are obtained by man-made, जिसको आदमी ने बनाया है, human being ने बनाया है, they are called as artificial materials. And name of
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you are mute. Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
okay. So next is, what do you mean by, there are three states of matter. Matter may be solid, may be liquid, and may be gaseous
Ma'am,
state.
solid, liquid, and gaseous state.
Yes, there are three states of the matter: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Why the substance?
Gaseous state.
Yes, why the substance are called
Ma'am?
solid state? क्यों हम किसी substance?
Ma'am, because their particles are tightly held.
Yes, tightly packed together and tightly held. The matter is called as solid because their particles, because their atoms, because their molecules, because their particles are completely close together or completely packed together. That's why they are called as solid. But in case of liquid, their particles are slightly far apart.
Ma'am, the particles are less thickly packed and
Ma'am, the particles are lightly held.
Yes, lightly held.
Ma'am, the particles are less tightly packed and can move a little.
Yes, and gaseous state, their particles are very, very far away. That's why they are called as in gaseous state. Then come on, these are the constitution of matter, means how their particles are arranged inside the solid, liquid, and in gaseous state. Then come on, properties of matter, means हमने जो अभी देखा, matters may be solid, may be liquid, or may be in gaseous state. Then what are their properties? हम बताने जा रहे हैं. What are the properties? First, transparency property.
Ma'am, can I say?
What's your name? Ayush Singh. Aditya Singh. What's your name? The first thing is transparency. So what substances are called as transparent matter, and what do you mean by transparency?
The property of material to allow light to pass through it is called transparency.
Yes, this is the property of the matter which allow the light to pass it completely, is called as transparency. The property is called as transparency and the matter is called as transparent matter. Next is opaque matter. So why the substance is called as opaque matter?
Ma'am, some materials do not allow light to pass through them.
Ma'am, some materials do not allow light to pass through them. They are called opaque materials.
Yes, they are called as opaque materials.
Ma'am, example plastic sheets.
Yes. इसका मतलब है कि आप लोग
Ma'am, example wall, wood, and plastic sheet.
Yes.
And wall and some example.
Okay. अब आइए next. Floating and sinking. Some matters are floating on the surface of the water, some are sinking in the water. अब कोई भी matter क्यों float करता है? Because it is lighter than water. अगर कोई matter water में float करता है, it means it is lighter than water. अगर कोई matter water में sink करता है, it means